face this way. Okay, I think to start off, we are going to have to take some measurements, but unfortunately I do not have a ruler of any sort, so we are just going to have to guesstimate the length of your face, the width. Maybe look at your nose, to your eyes. Take a look at those things. Let's look at how long your face is. So, come here. Come here. Okay. Straighten out your face. There you go. Okay. So, I'm gonna use the good old finger measuring trick. So, position your face. Okay, we're gonna start from the base of your chin, go all the way to where your hairline is. So, I'm gonna start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how long your face is. Now we're gonna see how wide your face is. Gonna use this again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I see how long and how wide your face is. Now we're gonna see the distance between your chin to your noses. So hold still, hold still, hold still. Okay, let's see. Chin to nose. 1, 2, 3.5. Then we're gonna go to your nose, to your hairline. So, starting here. 1, 2, 3.5. There we go. Now I want to see how wide your eyes are. We're really gonna have to guess with this one, so let me look at your eyes. Okay, your eye is about that long. This eye is the same, which means that the space here is going to be the same length as one of your eyes. So this is the same as this right here. Looks pretty good. Anything else we can measure here before we get started? I think we're good. Now that we have the measurements out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and start sketching on you. So, we're gonna go ahead and use one of these colors. sketch marks here and here. Okay, we're good to go. Put this back. Okay. Now, what we are going to do is we're gonna mold your face a little bit. Get it more into a shape that I can more easily work with. So let's see, let's position your face again. And now what I'm gonna do first is that we are going to puff out your cheeks. Puff out your cheeks. So let's grab the sides of your face and we're just gonna here, puff out your cheeks for me. It'll make it a little bit easier. Go. Puffed out your cheeks a little bit. Now, let's go ahead and smooth out your nose a little bit. So let's a little bit more. Okay. Now I am going to squish in this part of your face. Or maybe we'll widen it back up. Come here. Okay, that's not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. And then we're gonna, just for fun, let's give you little elf ears. I'm gonna take your ears and I'm gonna tug on them, okay? There we go. Alright. Don't ask why I made those decisions. It'll be easier somehow. Alright, now I'm going to mark off the parts of your face that I am going to snip off. That's right. I'm going to snip off parts of your face. Don't worry. Won't hurt a bit, probably. We're gonna start marking out your nose. So, probably around this area right here. So, okay. Now I'm going to use the orange to mark out your mouth. Okay. And then finally, I am going to use the green to mark around your eyes. So come here. Okay, there we go. Then the other eye. Okay. I think I can work with this, okay? Now we're gonna have to snip off some parts. So, angle your chin a little bit, and then we're just gonna angle your chin. Okay. And then we're going to snip off the sides of your nose. So, okay. And then finally, we're going to, those elf ears we made, I'm just gonna snip them off now. So now we're just gonna, okay, take that off. Okay, there we go. as much as we cut off. Okay, there we go. And then just to make sure it all stays on, we're gonna add some tape, some glue. So just hold still. You're doing great. We're gonna put this right here. Another piece of tape. Put this right there. Then you need a little bit more tape, your nose area, so. There we go. And then lastly, something to keep your chin put together. Okay, there we go. Now, the tape itself isn't going to completely hold everything together, maybe just for a day, but to make this last for the next couple of weeks until your face is fully healed, we're gonna need some glue to get the job done, and then that's the last thing that we're gonna do. So then I'm gonna take off this excess dried glue that was here. Okay, that was pretty easy. Now we're just gonna wipe that in a little bit. Okay, let's go to your ears. Okay, other side. Rub it in a little bit. We'll go to your chin. Rub it in. Then finally your nose. So hold still. Hold still. Okay, rub that in. Alright, I think you are looking pretty good now. Your face might feel a little weird, a little tingly for the next couple hours, then it's gonna start to feel a bit sore. That's perfectly normal as part of the healing process. You being my human craft. Totally legal. And then I think you'll be all good, so just check in with me in the next 2 weeks. Just take a picture and send it to me, and then I can look to make sure that everything is healing properly, and if it's not, we can fix up